In this video, I'll show you how to connect your WordPress and WooCommerce site with Intercom using our plugin. This integration lets you sync your users, events, KPIs, and customer data into Intercom, so your support and sales teams always have full context of what your users have done on your site. Let's get started. First, let's install the plugin. You can download the free version of this plugin directly from the WordPress plugin repository. For this demo, I'll be using the premium version, but the setup process is exactly the same for the free version. Search for Ripple Step Intercom. Once you see the plugin appear in the results, you're ready to install it. Go ahead and click on Install. After the installation is complete, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activating the plugin, you'll find the plugin menu labeled Intercom Sync in the WordPress sidebar. Here, you'll see two required fields. First, the access token. Second, the Workspace ID. Both of these details come from your Intercom account, so let's head there next and grab them. Now, switch to your Intercom dashboard. From here, go to Settings, then open Integrations, and navigate to the Developers Hub. You can create a new app, or select an existing one. I am creating a new app. You can give it any name. I am giving it a name WordPress. Once the app is created, go to the Authentication tab. From here, you can copy your access token. Make sure the token has the required permissions for users, events, and data synchronization. Next, copy your Workspace or App ID, which you can find in your Intercom general settings or in the URL. Once you have both the access token and Workspace ID, copy them. We'll paste these into WordPress in the next step. Now, head back to your WordPress dashboard. Paste the access token and Workspace ID into the plugin settings. Once done, click on Test Connection. Wait for the plugin to test the connection. If the access token and Workspace ID is correct, you will see a success message. And that's it, your WordPress site is now successfully connected to Intercom. From this point onwards, any user who registers on your site, logs in or updates their profile, will automatically be synced with Intercom. This means your support team can instantly see who the user is and what they've done on your site. If you don't want to sync all users, you can choose specific roles. For example, you might not want to sync customers, subscribers or author. Simply deselect the roles you want to sync, and save the settings. From now onward, only users with the selected roles will be synced. What about users who already exist on your site? You can sync all existing users to Intercom with a single click. Just click on Sync Existing Users, and the plugin will push all selected users to Intercom. Depending on the number of users, this may take some time, but it runs in the background, so you can continue working without interruption. You can also send custom user attributes to Intercom. To do this, click on the Add Mapping button. Choose the data source. This can be WooCommerce customer data, WordPress user meta, or user fields. Enter the appropriate key for the attribute you want to send. Next, provide an attribute name for Intercom and click Save. These attributes will start appearing on each user in Intercom. They help you segment users and provide more personalized support. Next, let's look at event tracking. You can sync important user actions as events in Intercom. For example, we support WordPress events such as user registration, login and logout, profile updates, password resets and role changes. We also support WooCommerce events like cart item added, checkout completed, cart emptied, cart viewed and checkout reached. These events can be enabled or disabled as per your need. In addition, we provide event tracking for WooCommerce bookings, WooCommerce deposits and WooCommerce subscriptions. These events give you a complete activity timeline inside Intercom. Let's see how these events appear in Intercom. In the Intercom dashboard, open a user profile. Here, you can see all synced events like cart viewed and order placed along with their metadata in the Recent Events section. This helps your team provide better support, run targeted campaigns, and convert more customers. The plugin also sends predefined metrics to Intercom. These include key WooCommerce and WordPress KPIs such as lifetime value of a customer, average order value, repeat purchase rate, last order date, and more. These metrics give your team instant business context while chatting with users. When enabled, these details are automatically shown as Intercom user attributes. You can also enable role-based tags in Intercom. Once enabled, the user's role will automatically be sent to Intercom. For example, a user's role will appear as a tag directly on their profile in Intercom. These tags make it easy to filter users, create segments, and trigger automated workflows inside Intercom. The plugin also allows you to add the Intercom chat widget to your site. To enable the chat widget, you only need your Intercom Workspace ID. If you have identity verification enabled in Intercom, you'll also need the identity verification secret, which you can get directly from your Intercom settings. Let me show you how. Click on this link, and it will take you to your Intercom dashboard. If identity verification is enabled, go to the Security tab and copy the secret, as shown in the video. If identity verification is not enabled, you don't need this secret. You can simply leave this field empty in the plugin settings. Once you save the settings, the Intercom chat widget will start appearing on your site. And that's it. You've successfully connected your WordPress and WooCommerce site with Intercom and set up user, event, and KPI syncing. Your team now has full customer context, making it easier to provide faster and more personalized support. If you run into any issues while configuring the plugin, or have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us at support@ripplestep.com. We'll be happy to help.